Dum tara dum tara dum tara dum. Guys, my name is Andreas and I have a new Clash of Clans video for you. Today I will make a warp base or maybe even a trophy base for Town Hall 6. I'm at Town Hall 7, but I will put only the buildings that are in Town Hall 6. We put the 2 mortars right here and the 2 wizard towers here. We put a count here. Here we put a cannon, and here an archer tower. We put it and then one archer tower. No. And we put a gold storage here. Then we put one elixir storage here and the gold storage here. It's a war base, so you don't lose any resources. That's why I put it out. We put the clan castle here. And we put one builder here and a barracks here and one builder here and something here. Then we put one here. Okay. One here. One there. Then we put something here. One from okay. And one here. Here. And to put one here. Want me to see it? So we need to put one more elixir collector here and a gold storage here. Put the 3 army camps in the corner so it will be difficult to the opponent to get 100%. We put the laboratory here, and now we put the traps, because the most useful strategy in the Town Hall 6 is Giant Healer. In this base I tried to do an anti-giant healer base. So we put our traps here. So when the opponent put the giants here, the giant bomb will lose him the half of his life. And then we put 2 army camps, 2 spring traps here, and the one here. And we put the 2 air bombs here. So when he put his healer here, he will be killed. Let's see. I think I have. And we need to put one more builder hut here. One more builder hut here. So that's the end of the video. If you want to see other of my videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget also to comment and like. So bye and see you in the next video.